Hi guys, I thought I would just pop in for a quick video and show you how we are doing with Titan 369. We are doing amazing. Everything is working very well. We are earning our daily rewards every single day and it's just flawless. Okay, so let me just show you how the back office looks like. Maybe I don't think I did a tutorial before about how the back office works and how you can actually get started with this opportunity. It's a very easy, very straightforward company where you are earning rewards every single day, and you will be able to withdraw those rewards in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. It's a company where there is a token involved, the Titan 369 token. That's how it works, and you are going to earn on the staking, and you are going to earn some rewards on their staking. Now, of course, you can see on the front page, which is the dashboard, you can see the balance. This balance is loaded in every 6 days, and you will be able to withdraw your earnings, of course. As you guys can see, I have a $5,000 worth of tier or package or deposit, I should say, and this is what I'm earning. Okay, this is how much I earned so far. I didn't really pay too much attention to it in the first few weeks, I should say, when I joined, because I just let it do its job. I was basically experimenting with it, trying to see how it works, try to see more about it, started to do my research, went through the data, went through the information, and so on. So actually, it was very recently that I started to, doing presentations on it and talking to people about it. So that's where we are at, basically. And you can also see my earnings right here. You can see how much I earned back from that $5,000, and basically you can see when I purchased my tier. You can see when I made my deposit. It's a very easy procedure. It's a very easy way to purchase your tier as well. The way it works is you go to the validators on your left, and you can see basically the type of validator, the validator tier that you have. Right now, of course, I have tier 3, which is a $5,000 worth of tokens that I purchased, basically, and then that's how you can see your validators right here. You can have multiple validators if you want. You can basically have a pile of validators, if you will. You can have different ones, smaller ones, bigger ones. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. Okay, now when you click on swap, that's where you can actually see how the deposit works. Okay, so when you want to, let's say you want to purchase 1,000 tokens, okay, and then you're gonna select your coin or token, whichever you want to deposit in. It could be either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Of course, on the USDT, you have ERC20 or TRC20, so both. So you have it on the Ethereum network and the Tron network as well. So that's how it works. All right, so you can choose either of those, and it will tell you exactly how much you are going to pay in that certain coin to have that 1,000 tokens. All right, so that's how it works, and you would just have to click deposit now and follow the steps ahead. All right, so that's how it works. It's very, very simple, very easy. Of course, when you want to swap back, you would have your active wallet balance filled with the amount. The minimum is 10 tokens, so 10 T369 tokens, or 20. One of the two, but it's always good to accumulate a good amount before you withdraw, in my opinion. And then you are going to enter how much you would like to withdraw and in what token. Of course, you have the chance to submit all of your token addresses, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, all of them. So you can choose each time when you are about to withdraw which token you would like to use to withdraw. All right, so that's how it works. If you want to transfer some amount to your downlines, you can always do so. It's free of charge. Also remember, when you swap tokens back to your original coin that you deposited with, make sure you know that there is a 3% fee. Okay, just keep that in mind. When you basically make a withdrawal, that's going to cost you 3%. All right, so just keep that in mind. When you are transferring, however, so when you are transferring an amount, a certain amount, to your downline, to one of the users, that's free of charge. All right, so let's say somebody doesn't have Bitcoin, okay, or somebody doesn't have Ethereum or USDT. You can simply actually send them an amount to their back office. All you have to do is enter the amount, enter their email address, and then click transfer funds. Done. Easy peasy. All right, very straightforward. Of course, when you are scrolling down, you can see history, team, ranking, bonus pools, marketing, so on. The marketing one is a good one because you can actually see different languages which are associated with the presentation. So if you know anybody who knows any of these languages, of course English would be the most straightforward in my opinion, because English is an international language. But if you know someone who doesn't speak English, or they don't know any English, then of course you can, if they speak any of the other languages, you can just send the presentation to them in that language. Now you can also download the white paper and the roadmap. Okay, the white paper and the roadmap are in English at the moment, but we are working on getting them translated probably in the near future as well. Now you can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Telegram as well, so you can have these social media platforms as well. You can always ask support if you have any issues or any problems. You can always ask support. However, first, probably I would suggest you guys talking to your sponsor first. See if the sponsor can help you sort out your issue, your problem, your question, whatever you may have. And then if your sponsor cannot help you, then you can go to support, because I want to make sure that support is not overwhelmed with questions that could be solved by a sponsor, by your upline. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and this is a bit of a tutorial, a guide video about how the back office works a little bit. And I'm very happy with this platform so far, very pleased of how things are working out. There are so many things that are going to come out in the near future, so many exciting stuff. You know, when the official launch is gonna happen, and there are so many things that are gonna be revealed, and so many exciting stuff that is just gonna blow away the members of the company. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm excited for the future of this company, and I think it's a really rare gem to have around. And of course, with this being said, I have no guarantees whatsoever, guys. Just keep it in mind. I have no guarantees, absolutely no guarantee. But I think it's a very, very good one when you want to start in the beginning. You want to start at the very beginning as soon as possible, so then you can get the most of the company. All right, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content that I share, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.